So next we have is the price sensitivity. By default, it's set to low. So let's see how it works. So basically the price sensitivity shows us when we had the higher lows or lower lows, like here. And if we want to increase the sensitivity, we can simply change the price action sensitivity to high and click OK. Now we will get a lot more lower lows and high highs, which are basically helpful for finding reversals. So now the price action sensitivity is set to low or set to high. So this is, so the green labels, they are the reversal towards the upside, and the red labels, they are reversals towards the downside. So we can easily find the high highs and lower lows. So always use the price sensitivity to low, or you can basically turn it off if you do not want the labels on your chart. But it's always best to use the price sensitivity with the price action sensitivity set to low. And next we're gonna talk about is the trend cloud and how we can turn on and off the trend cloud noise, and how we can set the sensitivity for the trend cloud.